Okay, class 2, we'll do maths. Please open your pages from your textbook 94. Please open page number 94 from your term books. We'll be doing 2-digit number additions today. 2-digit additions today. Okay, previously we were doing 1-digit addition. Now we will do 2-digit additions. Okay, please follow it very carefully. They are very, very important. Now the first one, 36 and 52. So we have 2 digits. This is ones place and this is tens place. Listen very carefully, children. 2 digits. 36 we have 2 digits. 52 are also 2 digits. So here this is ones place and this is tens place. You know it very well, right? Now first always you have to do the addition in the ones place. ఎప్పుడు కూడా ones place లో నుంచి మనం additions చేయాలి. ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఎడిషన్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లోనే చేయాలి. we have to start doing the additions from the ones place. So this is ones place and this is tens place. So we'll do the addition here from the ones place. So 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. So 6 in the mind, 2 on the fingers. 6 in the mind, 2 on the fingers. After 6, 7, 8. Okay. So the answer is 8 here. Okay. 8. Now this is finished. Now see the tens place. Tens place also you have 3 and 5. 3 plus 5. So 3 in the mind, 5 on the fingers. 3 in the mind, 5 on the fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8. So 88 is the answer. 88 is the answer. Okay. The next one, second one I will do. So I have taken few numbers. 36 plus 52. Sorry, the same one. Okay. So now again you have to start from the ones place. So this is ones place. So you have to add 2 plus 4. 2 in the mind, 4 on the fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So take 6 here. Okay. Now here in the tens place. 3 in the mind, 5 on the fingers. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is 86. Okay. Okay children. So these are 2-digit additions. These are 2-digit additions. So the homework is exercise 3.4 children. Please copy these 2 problems in your classwork. And for your homework, exercise 3.4 page 94 and 95. Page number 94 and 95. Done children? Okay. Now the next concept, page number 95. Borrowing and adding. It is called regrouping. This is called regrouping additions. Regrouping additions. Next page, please copy down and listen very, very, very carefully. Very, very important children. You have to listen to this class very carefully because for your whole future, this is very important. మీరు ఏ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది మారదు. దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. రీగ్రూపింగ్ అనొచ్చు లేకపోతే బారోయింగ్ అనొచ్చు. సో బారోయింగ్ ఎడిషన్స్ ఆర్ రీగ్రూపింగ్ ఎడిషన్స్. సో విల్ డూ నౌ. లిసన్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఓకే. Now I have taken few numbers. 22 plus 19. This is ones place and tens place. So you know that we have to start the additions from ones place. You know that we have to start the additions from one place. So ones place la additions chudama. Okay. 2 in the mind, 9 on the fingers. So 2 in the mind, 9 on the fingers. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. ఎంత వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్? We got 11. వేసుకోవాలి ఇలా వేసుకోవాలా వేసుకోవచ్చా ఇట్లా can we take 11 like this no we should not take 11 like that now because previously there was only one digit so we are writing here but now the answer is in two digits the answer is in two digits so two digits we cannot write like this instead what we will do is you have two numbers like we have two numbers so take this one here take this one here and remaining one here up on the next digit okay up here on the next digit which is on the tens place okay understood you have two numbers so one number you have to take here other number you have to borrow it here in the tens place now you have three numbers now what you have to do is first take one in your mind two on the fingers after one two and three now 3 in the mind 1 on the fingers after 3 4 so 41 is the answer I'll explain you once again children now 2 in the mind 9 on the fingers you got 11 you cannot take here because they are two digits so one digit you are taking here and one digit you are borrowing in the tens place now what you have to do is you have to add all the three numbers 1 plus 2 plus 1 so if you add 1 plus 2 it is 3 and 3 plus 1 it is 4 so the answer is 41 okay children and I'll give you one more sum for your understanding 42 39 49 and 39 so as usual tens place and ones place now 9 in the mind 9 on the fingers we have to add the ones place so 9 in the mind 9 on the fingers 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18 what is the answer 18 now you cannot take two digits here so what we are doing we are taking only one digit that is 8 okay you have one more number you have to borrow it here in the ones place okay 8 we are taking here and 1 we are borrowing in the tens place now you have to add 1 plus 4 plus 3 1 plus 4 plus 3 so 1 in the mind 4 on the fingers after 1 2 3 4 5 you got 5 now put 5 in your mind and take 3 on the fingers after 5 6 7 8 so the answer is 8 so the answer is 88 so this is called regrouping of two digit numbers children this is called regrouping of two digit numbers hope you all understood this if you are not getting this I'm going to explain this again and again okay but I want you to sit with your parents and clarify all your doubts if you still have doubt please message me I will explain the same topic in the next class also but this is very 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 important regrouping of numbers or borrowing of additions are very very important hope you understood because I have taken a very simple methodology to teach you if you are not getting it no problem sit with your parents and do the problems but still you are not getting it please message me I will tell you the regrouping of additions once again in the next class okay and page number 36 is also your homework page number 96 is also your homework of regrouping additions okay so today we have done two digit additions and also regrouping additions in the next class we'll be doing word problems with that we close with this chapter hope you all understood children practice more and more because practice makes the man perfect you will be perfect only when you practice so please do that please copy this in your classwork page number 97 96 will be your homework for tomorrow god bless you children